Push-ups are one of the best body weight exercises, but for many people, even doing one feels impossible. Whether you are a complete beginner or just struggling to hit clean reps, this video is for you. I will guide you step by step to build strength, fix your form, and get you to your first 10 solid push-ups. No equipment needed, just your body, your mindset, and some consistency. Our first exercise is wall push-ups. Start by pushing against a wall to learn push-ups form, keep your body straight and control every rep. Then we bring two chairs and we do incline push-ups with chairs. Use stable chairs or surface. The higher the incline, the easier the push-ups. Focus always on clean movement. And then we can go to the third exercise, knee incline push-ups. Drop your knees to the ground while keeping hands on the chair. Great for building upper body strength with less load. And exercise number 4, knee push-ups. On the floor, knees down, body straight. A K step toward full push-ups, and don't rush it. Now you are ready, let's go to do the fifth exercise. It's plank hold. Hold straight body line from shoulders to heels, and this is gonna build core strength and stability for push-ups. Now we jump to exercise number 6, forearm to full plank. Move from forearm to hands, one arm at a time. Great for strengthening your shoulders and core control. And if you can do this exercise, so you can do the 7th exercise. It's plank with shoulder tap. Hold the plank and tap each shoulder. This builds anti-rotation and strength and balance. If you are still here, you are in negative push-ups. Start at the top and lower down slowly. Focus on control. This builds the strength needed to push back up. And the last exercise in our video is full incline push-ups. Use a low surface like a bench. This is your final step before full push-ups on the ground. Congratulations, fighter!